So I've always enjoyed the Phase 1 system. I use Capture One for all of my image processing, for color rendition, for grading, for the way the algorithm works. And it's all about the process. Can you realize what the image that you're looking for and provide more value to the client at the same time?
I found out about Phase 1 through Specular, the capture course, and understanding how good the processing software behind Phase 1 is, Capture One. That's sort of the main thing that intrigued me about Phase 1 to start with, is if the software is so powerful and deals with my Canon files so well, then it can obviously, there's so much further that that sort of processing software can go.
I've been a Phase 1 shooter since about 2007. I was a Capture One shooter and I loved the Capture One workflow, and what I didn't want to do was go into a medium format system where I had to introduce another workflow. The thing that really did it for me was, at the time I bought a P45 Plus, which was a 39 megapixel back, but it was the only medium format back that allowed me to do long exposures. Now my personal passion is long exposure photography, so for me the most important thing was that I'd be able to do that with this super high resolution camera. And I got to say, I've had absolutely not a single regret. It just keeps getting better and better and better all the time.
So I think the main thing I'm taking away from this is the processing power that the new Phase 1 has. Just makes the whole camera incredibly flexible, and something that you can build so many new features into is incredible.
I'm an Ilford master printer. Spent a lot of time printing and controlling my colour management and everything, and people sort of say, well, resolution doesn't matter if you're only printing an 8x10. Resolution is only really consequential up until the size you print. So if you've got a 2 megapixel camera and the maximum print size for that is 8x10, 100 megapixel at 8x10 is going to give you the same result. And I believed that for a long time until I started using the Phase, and I've found that to be totally untrue, that you can see the detail. Absolutely.
I think it's interesting to see a camera manufacturer build on an open platform rather than something that's almost constricted by its hardware. This probably is a camera that you could buy now. It can live with you for a long time.